And this is how the inside looks like. Top stitch my lining to give it a better relaxation at the bust side. Turned everything, and then I have a clean finishing. Hello, and welcome to CuteLuks tutorial. Welcome everyone again and again. It's season and everyone is so busy, but I'm still going to be trying to take my time and explain some things that is going to be helping you with cost and also helping you have a good finishing with your work. So I'm going to be showing you how to use your stay. Okay, see, this is very soft. How to use it to get a very good firm bustier, and it's going to be looking so good on you or your client. So this is it. I'm going to be staying my lining with this one single. So you see, single, I'm going to be staying it on each of the lining single. You can see it's very soft, and this is the hard one of it. It's strong. You can place this on the main fabric, just single of it, and it's enough. That doesn't mean you cannot use your wadding. I prefer using a soft wadding and it comes out very well on my clothes. But in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the soft one to get a good shape on your bustier. To get a good shape on your bustier using a soft one, all you have to do is to double it. So you can see this is my main fabric and it's shaped out in the bustier form. You can see it. So I'm going to be doubling this, and also on my fabric at the center part of my bustier, you can see it's 2. I'm going to be doubling it, and then on the lining part of it, which is the center part, I'm going to be making it single. So after putting everything together and close up my bustier, you guys are going to see how it's going to look like. So lovely, and this is going to help you with cost and it's going to be looking good on you. So I'll go down to the table and then show you guys how it is when I'm done closing up. You see how firm it's going to look after ironing it. So guys, as you can see, I'm done staying it, every part of it. You can see the shape, the way it looks, and behind you can see fully stayed, everything fully stayed, and now it's looking thick. Same with the lining. You can see the lining is now balanced, unlike when it's just soft. Some of you be saying your lining got torn. Well, with this guy here, staying firm. So I'm going to mark these fellers and then come back to show you the full coupling of it. So guys, you can see I'm done with the table and I'm done sewing it. I've done joined the lining along with it. You can see how relaxed it looks. Can you see I've done the neck as well, and this is how the inside looks like. Top stitch my lining to give it a better relaxation at the bust side. Turned everything, and then I have a clean finishing. Can you see? So you can see, like I said, we've ironed this, then I showed you the inside and everything, how neat it looks. Neatly done. Can you see? With just the soft stay, all you have to do is put this on, and then you can see I told you neck is kino. You can see how relaxed it looks after turning it with the lining. So give me a thumbs up guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, and also sit tight so you see me in my next video. Bye bye guys.